So big V's means volume, velocity, veracity, and variety. So large volume of data is generated each and every second. Like social media feed, you can see thousands of posts are generating. So it's hard for the traditional cybersecurity to actually manage vast amount of data. And there you can see the velocity of how fast the data is generating. How fast, like each second, thousands, lakhs of billions of data is generating. And then there's variety. Variety, some data structure and raw analysis. So in cybersecurity, you can look at it as network anomaly data, and there is risk network data, and there's a log. Application has lot of logs. So those are the different datas. And when we put together and normalize it a traditional way, it doesn't recognize patterns, right? So it is really ineffective to use the normal way. So, and then veracity means consistency of data. It is also a downfall in the field of AI also, a negative point here, because veracity means consistency of data. And in cybersecurity, there is a lot of data which can be fraud. Yeah, you cannot detect it whether it is real or true. So it can contribute to model biases. So big data application in cybersecurity. Threat intelligence, as you know, one of the most significant application of big data in cybersecurity is threat intelligence. It involves collecting huge amount of data from different sources, whether it be public source or it may be forums, developer forums, and the most first way to get the first viruses and malware are generated in dark web. So using threat analysis, we can also integrate into it into the dark web too, and also public sources. But we have to check whether the data is authentic, and we can also scrape the data from different website. So this is the workflow of AI-powered threat intelligence. So the data is collection of data.